All right, so guys, today's project, we're working in the backyard here mainly. We're gonna be pulling out stumps here, hauling them off, and we gotta make this kind of taper down in towards those double trees, make this all nice backyard, get some grass planted. Gotta get rid of all these chips and topsoil all this. And then we're gonna reshape the driveway, make that nicer, because that's kind of just been neglected. But I already scraped up a little bit with the machine on the way in, but yeah, we're gonna retop the driveway from the septic mound there down. We'll make this all a nice yard.